Hey guys, welcome back to Milkaki channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. In case this is your first time to have come across this channel, feel welcome and kindly consider subscribing to this channel. Also turn on the notification bell so that you may be among the first viewers who will be notified anytime I upload a new video. If you are my returning viewer, my returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. So guys, in this video I want to answer and explain your unanswered question on TikTok about the hair mousse. These are the questions that I've come across on the comments, on people's status, on people's videos, about people asking what is this product that is used on your braids after braiding or on your natural hair, and this is answer that you have not been answered for quite a long time. So hair mousse is a product that is used to mold or slick the small hairs that appear on braids or cornrows after braiding. So guys, I'm sure you find that after braiding your hair, some of your hairstylists dip your braids in water, in hot water, and others just blow dry your hair to burn those hairs that appears after braiding. But hair mousse is the deal, is the secret. So hair mousse gives some hold and definition to hair strands, and it also protects your hair. Hair mousse also gives curls some control, and braids like salsa, French curls, and the ordinary braids that we use to make hair curls after braiding, you can use hair mousse to help your curls last longer. Hair mousse also helps to keep your freezing braids, helps to keep braids from freezing, and it helps also to make your curls bouncier. For best results, apply mousse, wrap your braids or cornrows, and then place under the dryer or dry using a blow dry for a few minutes. So mousse helps define the braid curls. It gives it makes it less frizzy. It helps your curls last longer. It reduces tangling. So mousse, it's a hair detangler on your braids and curls. Hair mousse is recommended occasionally and not daily because it has some alcohol that may dry your hair. So I hope I've answered your question. If you have that person or have been asking questions on TikTok about this white product that is used on your braids, it's called hair mousse. Hope this video is of help. See you in the next one. Bye bye.